Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the question answer of New James English Reader, Lesson 2, the poem Malala. So the first question is, according to the poet, what is a thing that always survives? The answer will be, according to the poet, the courage and kindness always survive against all odds. Question number 2. Explain the meaning of the first two lines of the poem. You have to explain the first two lines of the poem Malala. The explanation part I am reading for you. The first two lines of the poem mean that where there is no education, there is no appreciation for people who want to learn and enlighten others. Such people who want to bring about change have to subdue their voices for fear of opposition and persecution. Question number 3. How dare they take away my education? Who said this? Malala Yousafzai said this. Then number B. What does this statement tell us about the speaker? The line tells us that Malala is not afraid. She stands up for her rights. Question number 4. What did Malala do to express her thoughts and fight for her choice? Malala wrote blogs to express her thoughts and fight for her choice. Number 5. How did the world respond to Malala's bravery? The world listened to what Malala had to say with interest. Number B. Malala Yousafzai was a girl with a heart. What does this statement mean? The statement means that Malala has courage and kindness. Then come to the word study. Often words have symbolic meaning which are different from their literal meanings. For example, in the first line of the poem, darkness means evil or lack of hope or knowledge. This is different from its literal meaning, which is absence of light. Here are some words from the poem. Fill in the table, take help of your teacher if required. Now I will read the words, its literal meaning and symbolic meaning. First is light. Literal meaning is illumination. Symbolic meaning is hope or goodness. Number 2, spark. Literal meaning is flash of light and symbolic meaning is a bright mind, radiance, light or shine. Symbolic meaning hope, joy, heart. Body organ, courage and kindness is a symbolic meaning of heart. Then voice, sound produced by vocal cords. Symbolic meaning thoughts and ideas. Then comes your sky, the upper atmosphere as seen from the earth's surface. The highest level of achievement is a symbolic meaning of the word sky. Next is, make a list of all the rhyming words in the poem. Let me read out the rhyming words of the poem. Forbidden, hidden, thrive, survive, heart, start, consternation, education, dream, screams, choice, voice, cry, sky. These are the rhyming words in the poem Malala. Now come to your grammar study. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It expresses a complete thought. Malala Yousafzai is a courageous girl. This is a sentence because it expresses a complete thought. The brightest of sparks. This is not a complete thought, so it is not a sentence. Now what you have to do is in number E, tick the ones that are sentences. The box of chalk near the board, it is not a sentence. You cannot tick it. Ruma saw frog in the pond. Yes, it is a sentence. Tick it. Then number 3, the classroom on the 3rd floor. This is not a sentence. You cannot tick it. Then Shasa smile. It is a sentence. Ticket. When will grandpa visit us? It is a sentence. Ticket. My aunt who is a doctor. This is not a sentence. It is incomplete. So no need of putting a tick mark there. Meet the librarian after school hours. Ticket. The sun rises. Ticket. Now come to your number F. But before that, we will see 4 kinds of sentences. A statement or declarative sentence simply states a fact. It ends with a full stop. A question or interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark or mark of interrogation. What did Malala demand to know? A command or request or imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. It can also express a desire or wish. Please encourage your children to attend school. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Note that an imperative sentence is the only sentence that may not have a subject. Example, wait a minute does not have a subject. The subject here is not stated, but you understood the subject can be taken as you. An exclamation or exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden and strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. What a brave girl Malala is! Mark of exclamation. Now, what you have to do in number F? Write a statement, a question, a command, an exclamation using the words in each set. Now, I will read the answer for you in the next audio. Let's see the answer of number F. Statement. Our teacher teaches science. Question mark or my interrogative sentence. Does this teacher teach science? Command. Teacher, please teach us science. Exclamation. How well our teacher taught us science. Mark of exclamation. Children sapling plant. Statement. The children planted saplings. Question. Did the children plant saplings? Command. Children, plant the sapling. Exclamation. How well the children planted the sapling. Mark of exclamation. We interesting saw match. We saw an interesting match. Statement. Did we see the interesting match? Question. We must see the interesting match. Command. The match we saw was so interesting. Mark of exclamation. Now, number G. Change this sentence, statement or sentences into question and rewrite them in your notebook. Did the teacher encourage me to do well? This is the answer of the question. The teacher encouraged me to do well. Number 2. Deepa Malik is the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games. The answer will be, is Deepa Malik the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games? Number 3. Radhika has gone to sleep. Has Radhika gone to sleep? The next. Your mother will know the answer. Will your mother know the answer? Next. Sushil has read another story by Kenneth Graham. That is, has Sushila read another story by Kenneth Graham? The next question is, change this H number command into request. Pass me some salt. Please pass me some salt. The number 2, meet me in the conference room at 4 p.m. Can you please meet me in the conference room at 4 p.m.? Next, talk softly in the hospital. Please talk softly in the hospital. Number 4, hold these parcels for me. Could you hold these parcels for me? Number 5, add some sugar to sweeten the curd. Please add some sugar to sweeten the curd. So this is all about your grammatical part of lesson 2, Malala Yousafzai. Writing section I is, you have to write a paragraph on this person in about 80 to 100 words. And how did Malala Yousafzai has been an inspiration to millions of girls and boys across the world. You have to write about her. Who is your inspiration? It could be anybody, your parents, your teacher, your friend, or a famous personality. Make a list of her or his qualities. So you have to write about, as Malala Yousafzai was an inspiration to millions of girls and boys across the world. You write a paragraph. Who is your inspiration in your own words, in your rough notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.